I hope you don't mind. We're going to switch things up a bit today. I've received a lot of emails pertaining to this topic. And actually, let me stop right there. This isn't one of those advertisements because everyone's been asking me about my skincare. It's not one of those, trust me. But I have received a lot of emails pertaining to this topic, and I figured I might as well make a video about this. I'm going to keep this short. And again, no, I'm not going to try to sell you anything. To preface this, I am a fitness mentor, and I went to university, graduated, and I've turned my passion for fitness into a career. I give you that so that you have context in regard to these emails and why I get them, and the topic is motivation. Now, I decided to discuss the topic of motivation with you because, yeah, I get the question pertaining to motivation in regard to fitness, but as we all know, it's very dynamic. You can use this towards a career, you can use this towards a relationship. There are a ton of possibilities as far as the application of this. Now, going back to the question, specifically, it's I get the question on how to stay motivated. And this is coming from individuals, for the most part, that are trying to lose weight. A lot of these individuals, as far as their background, they've jumped on these bandwagons in regard to fad diets, where these fad diets, they're not maintainable for a long period of time, or they've jumped right into CrossFit and they injured themselves just because they weren't prepared for the situation. Yeah, we all want to set that big goal, that goal to put on the pedestal for you to achieve. But in addition to that main goal, there needs to be short-term goals. These short-term goals, they're going to be what keeps us motivated. They're going to keep the tank full, so to speak. They need to be weekly, they need to be specific, they need to be realistic, and you need to be able to see them every day. Pertaining to specificity, the goals can't just be, I want to look good. You need to be able to measure it. So you need to place a number, like let's say, I want to lose 2 pounds this week, or I want to run 7 miles this week. So we need those short-term goals in order to keep us motivated and in order to kind of give us affirmation and let us know that we are accomplishing things. We are taking those steps necessary in order to accomplish the bigger goal. So we have specificity, and now we need to discuss being realistic. The big goal can seem to be a little unrealistic, but with these short-term goals, that's where the realism comes into play. And they can lead up to that goal that we might think is unobtainable right now, but we can look back to our data that we collected, because our data we can measure, and it can again let us know that we are on the right path to success. Also, as cheesy and as cliche as this is and sounds, we need to be able to see these goals every day. And this keeps us from, a lot of us find ourselves straying away from the path because we're no longer conscious. We have a lot going on in our life, and we can forget about things, especially if we aren't seeing them daily. And so with this goal, these goals need to be written down. They need to be tangible. You can either put them on your fridge, you can put them on your bathroom mirror, somewhere where you will see them every day. And again, this can sound super cheesy and cliche, but in all honesty, this really does work. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg in regard to goals, setting goals, and accomplishing goals. But I do hope that some of you find this useful. For those of you that have maybe set goals in the past, I hope that this helps you reassess the steps that you were taking in order to achieve your goals. And I hope that this helps you in regards to your success. And at the same time, for those of you that have yet to set goals, I hope that this is helpful and inspires. So all in all, that was kind of long-winded. I tried to keep it relatively short. As always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.